channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the people TikTok dance trend, which is becoming pretty popular right now. But before we get started, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and now let's get into it. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you guys to follow, and now let's start with the first move. So the very first thing we're going to do is go 1, 2. So we're going to do basically like a thumbs down kind of thing, and we're going to go 1. So we're going to just bend our legs and go down. We're going to go 1, 2, and then with the other hand 3, 4. Okay, so once again 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go 1. So our right hand is going towards our left shoulder, and we're going to show a 5. So 1, and then we're going to do like this small circle. Okay, so 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Okay, and then we're going to do a small step forward with our right leg. So 1 and 2, and then we're going to step, and while we step, we're going to do this. So we're going to pull ourselves forward, and then we're going to go 1, 2. So the same thing we did before, but with our hands going like this. They're going to like slide. Okay, so once again, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then step. 1, 2. And then it says like, did you look for me? So we're going to go 1, 2. So 1, 2. And then we're going to do a walking kind of thing. So our fingers are just going to go over our arm, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So it talks about a room. So we're going to be showing like a square with our fingers. So 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then after this, with our hands, we're going to cross them over our face, and then we're going to go like this. So 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Once again, 1 and 2. Okay, and then we're going to show like an okay sign with our fingers, and we're going to go 1 and 2. Okay, so I know it looks weird, but with the song, it just looks so cool. So we're going to go 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4. Okay, so once again from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Step, slide, slide, and then look for me, and then walk, show the box, and then 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4. And we're going to do then the same thing we did before. We're going to go 1 step, and then push back, and 1, 2. And that's it. That's the whole dance. So we're going to be doing it from the beginning twice. First, we're going to do it pretty slow so that you can remember everything, and then we're going to go faster. So first, let's do it slow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, left and 5, and then step back, 1, 2, and then look, walk, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5 and 6, and then we're gonna go 1, back, 1, 2. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing but faster. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then step back, 1, 2, look, walk, show the box, and then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, push, back, 1, 2. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!